this is the channel, right? Like, this is the channel to be beat. But this actually isn't a makeup video. If you're interested in this look, I've already filmed it. I don't know which video is gonna be up first because I just filmed the look, and then now I wanted to sit down and be able to talk to my subscribers, because a lot of you have been in the comments and a lot of you have been like asking me, "Mom, okay, everything is fine," because you guys know that I am a registered nurse and I am a travel nurse. At the hospital that I'm at, I haven't been in contact with any COVID-19 patients as of yet. I only have 3 more shifts left to go at this hospital. And so they've made room for these patients on other floors, and you know, with everything going on, everything is so crazy. We haven't even got our first positive. I'm sure by the time I get back to work, we're gonna have our first positive. But we hadn't had our first positive patient in our hospital as of the last day that I worked, um, which was a while ago, because I worked and then I had like 7 days off, and I haven't been filming. I've been spending time with my family. I just been trying to get prepared. I think I know I told you guys that I'm going to be taking a contract out of state, and I will be pretty soon. My last day in my current job will be April the 4th, and then I have maybe about a week and a half off, and I'm going to be headed to California. I'm going to be headed to the Bay Area. So if you live in the Bay Area, shout out to y'all. Your girl is coming out to help. And the reason why I've chosen to take this assignment so far with my family is just because, like, I feel like being in the profession that I am, me being a nurse, I'm going to be exposed. It's just a matter of when I'm going to be exposed. I'm going to have to take care of one of these patients. And I don't mind. It's my job. It's what I do. But my biggest thing is, like, I don't want to bring it back home to my family. So I would rather go take something out of state, stay there. If I'm exposed, if I'm taking care of these patients, then at least I'm not bringing it home to my kids. My youngest son, he has asthma really bad. My oldest son, he had asthma when he was younger. He grew out of it, but that doesn't mean, like, if he catches COVID, like, this won't flare up everything. It just make everything just far worse. So, just to let you guys know those types of things, you know, that's what's going on with me. So, with me taking this new assignment, I'm going to be working 4 days a week. You guys, I don't know how or if I'm going to be taking my camera. I might take my camera, or if I'm going to be filming on my phone, if I'm going to pack my ring light. I don't know what filming equipment that I'm going to be able to take with me. I don't know when or if I will have any time to film any makeup videos, but I definitely, if I could just sit down and film just makeup like all day, like that was my life. Like, life would be grand, like, because we would be doing all types of stuff over here. Unfortunately, that is not my life. I have a regular job like most of you do, and that I have to do, and that my YouTube channel is a hobby, and if I had more time to put into it, it probably would grow more bigger. But I'm appreciative of the subscribers that I do have, and I'm appreciative to the new ones, and I'm appreciative to the subscribers that I'm going to gain. Now, I'm not abandoning my channel. I am going to try to film some makeup, or if not makeup, then follow my Instagram. I am going to try to update you guys on my day-to-day, on, you know, just how bad things are. And I'm gonna keep it 100. I always keep it real with y'all, and I'm gonna continue to do that, just keeping it real. So I just don't know, like, how filming is gonna go. I don't know what makeup I am gonna take. I am getting some new products in, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to sit. Now, I'm not gonna cancel my boxy. I'm not gonna cancel my lashy box. That stuff will just continue to come home, so I won't be able to do an unboxing. But maybe my husband will do an unboxing for you guys. But yeah, so just stick around, bear with me, and you know, we're gonna get through this entire thing together. If you have family or friends who have been affected by it, I feel you. I understand your pain. It's scary. Everybody is scared. Everybody is just like, don't know what to do. Actually, I have a really good friend who's a nurse who's been quarantined for the past few days. She's been waiting on her test results to come back. We're both hoping that those test results are negative, and that, you know, she can continue to, you know, be with her family and go back to work. But you guys, this is serious. I definitely want you guys to take it serious. Definitely follow the guidelines. Do the social distancing. Stay at home. Don't go out if you don't have to. If you do go out, when you come back in, wash your hands. Lysol everything down that you touch. Change your clothes. Take a shower. Like, just be as safe as you possibly can be, because this thing is serious. And I know they're saying it's going to hit its peak and it's going to start to die down. Those are estimations. They Nobody really knows how long this thing's going to last. Nobody knows if or when things are going to be able to go back to normal. But I'm going to try to upload. I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to be doing when I'm away. I wish like stuff would go back to normal and some stuff would open up, and I can show you guys like different stuff, but everything is closed there out there in California. Everything is closed here. Where I'm at, the schools is closed. My kids are out of school for the rest of the year. Everything is shut down. I'm not expecting anything to be open anytime soon, but I am going to be trying to upload and film as feasible as much as I can. It may not be a lot with me being away from home and me not having my whole setup and everything of that, but I'm going to try to do what I can. It may not be makeup related. It may just be let's sit down, let's have a chit chat. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's going to be something. So you guys make sure that you stick around. Oh, and also you guys, I got my eyebrows like microbladed, this is really like day one. I got them done like yesterday, so they gonna sleep. Well, I got them combo. I got them microbladed in the front and shaded on the back. But I didn't film the process or anything because everything was spur of the moment. Everything's just been happening so fast. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I am Polished Beauty, your girl Tavia. I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I know I'm probably not going to be able to keep up with that schedule, but soon everything will normalize back out and we'll be back to our happy, cheerful selves. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and give your girl a big thumbs up.